Hi everybody, I'm Luke Best from Position Property. We are at Alba, and as you can see behind me, we are on fire with construction. Pretty much stage one, all at lock-up stage. We're just waiting on some fences, some landscaping. Really exciting time to see everything coming together on site here. The Greensill series here at Alba are our largest homes. These 4 in stage 1 have been secured. Stage 2 is now available and selling. Everyone who's been through our display here at Alba Residences has been blown away by the attention to detail and the quality of the fixtures and fittings throughout the home. Amazing hardwood floors, solid timber staircases, heaps of space in the kitchen and lots of storage facilities throughout. The Draper series at Alba Residences have been extremely popular. We've got just a handful remaining, so inquire today to find out more about these amazing 4-bedroom homes.